Most gardeners end up dealing with two common problems again and again: soil that slowly loses its strength, and pests that quietly damage plants over time. You fix one, and the other shows up. But what if a couple of small changes could handle both without making things complicated? In this video, we're trying two simple ideas that will resolve your both issues naturally without even expensing you single penny. Method number 1. This method creates a long-lasting, nutrient-rich growing system that continuously feeds plants while improving soil health. Start by taking an old water tank and cutting it into a ring shape, preferably using the middle section so it remains open from both sides. Place this structure around a plant, such as a fruit tree, to create a defined raised bed that also benefits the surrounding soil. Begin layering inside the bed with a base of dry twigs and branches, which improves drainage and slowly decomposes over time. Add a layer of garden soil to fill gaps and introduce beneficial microbes that help start the decomposition process. Next, place a layer of kitchen waste like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and leafy material, which acts as the main nutrient source as it breaks down. Cover this with a thick layer of soil to protect plant roots and allow safe decomposition underneath without causing heat damage. Finish with a generous layer of compost, which boosts nutrients, improves soil texture, and introduces beneficial microorganisms. Once all layers are complete, plant your vegetables directly into the top layer and water thoroughly to activate microbial activity. Over time, the lower layers break down and release nutrients slowly, creating a self-feeding system that supports continuous plant growth, improves soil fertility, and reduces the need for added fertilizers. Method 2. Natural Pest Control Spray. This method protects plants from pests using a safe natural mixture that also supports overall plant health. Start by taking 1 liter of non-pasteurized milk and mixing it with about 3 liters of water to create a diluted base. Add 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, which helps the mixture stick to leaves and supports beneficial microbes. Then add 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps protect plants from diseases and pests. In a separate container, dissolve about 10 grams of asafoetida in water. Then add this to the mixture. The strong smell of hing works as a natural pest repellent. Mix everything thoroughly until the solution is evenly combined. Then pour it into a spray bottle. Apply the spray on both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where pests usually hide. Use it in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn from sunlight. This spray works best as a preventive or early stage treatment, helping reduce pest activity while keeping your garden safe from chemical exposure. Regular use supports a healthier garden ecosystem and keeps plants protected naturally. The third method focuses on drying ginger waste and turning it into a long-lasting garden protector. Ginger peels and pulp are spread under full sunlight until completely dry, usually taking about a week. Once dry and crisp, they're ground into a fine powder. This powder can be sprinkled directly around the base of plants. Ginger contains strong-smelling compounds like gingerol that repel insects and discourage soil pests near roots. It also has mild antifungal properties that help protect the soil line from diseases like stem rot and damping off. Over time, as the powder breaks down, it adds organic matter and supports beneficial microbes in the soil. The same powder can also be used to make a spray by mixing it with warm water and adding water-soluble neem oil. This combination creates a powerful natural shield against pests and fungal infections. Neem interrupts pest life cycles, while ginger acts as a repellent and protective agent. When sprayed weekly, especially after rain, it keeps leaves clean, improves sunlight absorption, and reduces disease spread.